Staring at a glowing phone screen, trying to figure out what to post today, is a massive drain on your time. You know you need to be visible online, but generating fresh ideas daily quickly leads to burnout. By using the right AI workflow, a single seed topic expands into a complete 30-day social media plan in minutes. The system generates exact content formats, opening hooks, written captions, and calls to action for every single day. This strategy is adaptable for wherever your audience actually spends their time, whether that is Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, TikTok, or LinkedIn. The goal of mastering this specific AI prompt structure is to replace the pressure of daily ideation with a pre-built content system. Step 1 is defining your exact niche and target audience before you type a single instruction into the AI. This equation shows the critical inputs: your niche, your specific audience, their location, and your educational goal. For example, teaching artificial intelligence to beginner teachers in Pakistan. Skipping this step leaves the AI without a specific perspective. This produces generalized advice that doesn't address the unique pain points of your specific target audience. Step 2 puts that context to work. You assign the AI the role of a professional social media content strategist and issue the main prompt to build the calendar. Instruct the AI to format its response into a precise table with dedicated columns for day, topic, format, hook, caption, and call to action. The AI immediately maps out an entire month of structured content, filling in every variable requested. This output should be reviewed against your current brand strategy and any active industry trends. Adjust the topics so they align exactly with your goals. The AI provides a highly structured first draft, but your editorial judgment is required to turn that raw data into a polished, final strategy. Step 3 involves distribution. Publishing the exact same type of content every single day will quickly bore your audience. This graphic shows how you should mix formats across your calendar. You can cycle through educational text posts, short video reels, polls, and swipeable carousels. Rotating through these formats keeps the delivery fresh. It forces the viewer to interact with your material in different ways, maintaining their engagement over the full 30-day cycle. Step 4 is engineering the hook. On social media, the first 3 seconds dictate whether a user stays on your post or scrolls past it. Instead of opening with a generic statement like, "Let's talk about AI," target a specific pain point. An opening like, "If you are a teacher, this AI tool will save you 3 hours a day," immediately grabs attention. A strong hook builds curiosity, but it must be based on facts. Misleading the viewer with false promises or clickbait destroys trust instantly. You need a sharp hook to earn the initial view, but you must deliver real, authentic value to turn a passing viewer into a long-term follower. Step 5 shifts focus to the written caption that accompanies your post or video. This text block demonstrates the structure of a highly effective caption. It reads conversationally, and it strictly concludes with a direct call to action, asking the audience a question or telling them exactly what to do next. Step 6 is adapting a single core piece of content for multiple social media platforms. This diagram illustrates how one long-form YouTube video can be fragmented. It becomes a short vertical reel for TikTok, a text-heavy post for Facebook, and a professional update for LinkedIn. You must prompt the AI to rewrite the content for each specific platform's native style. Copying and pasting the exact same text across every app looks lazy and performs poorly. True efficiency is taking one thoroughly researched idea and intelligently adapting it to fit the format and audience of multiple different platforms. This flowchart recaps the entire process. You define the niche and audience, generate the calendar, choose the content formats, engineer the hooks, write the captions with a clear call to action, and finally, repurpose for scale. By following this exact sequence, you stop scrambling for daily ideas and start operating a highly reliable, structured content system. Your practical assignment is to run this prompt, generate your own 30-day calendar, and manually complete the creation of your day 1 post, including its hook, caption, and call to action. Let us know in the comments when your 30-day plan is ready. Planning an entire month of content now takes just a fraction of the time.